$20,000, bro, is how much I made in the past 4 days just with meme coins. And no, I did not trade any coin, bro. I just created them myself, and after that I removed the liquidity. That's exactly how I made all this money. And the benefits of launching your own coins is that you have nothing to lose, right? It's free money, and you can even create these coins with just one click, which I will show you exactly how to do in today's video. And I will even show you exactly step by step how to create and launch your own coin, right? And after that, remove the liquidity and make a shit ton of money. And I will even do a live example in front of y'all to prove that all this shit actually works. Now, if you cannot watch the next 4 to 5 minutes of this video, bro, you might as well just give up right now, because you have to lock in and focus up if you actually want to make some money. But now it's time to actually create the coin, right? So to create your coin, right, we won't be using Pump.Fun, because if y'all don't know, Pump.Fun is too saturated. Too many coins are being created by the second, and 99% of these coins are all scams, right? So no investors are going to buy your coin. So you have to use raydium if you actually want to make some money, because if y'all don't know, bro, coins on the raydium dex gets a much higher market cap. So I can actually prove that to y'all for 1 second. So raydium, as you can see, $14 million market cap, $9 million market cap, 40,000, 40,000, 300,000, half a million, right? And if I go on the Pump.Fun dex, you can see that the market caps are extremely low. So 4k, 15k, 13k, 40k, 11k. So the point I'm trying to make is that you have to make coins on the raydium dex if you actually want to make some money. And to make coins on the raydium dex with no coding required and super fast, right, is by going on Google and writing launch token.fun. As you can see, it's a website where you can make coins on the raydium dex instantly within seconds, right? So you can create your own token by putting the token name, token symbol, token image, right? You can either wait for an Elon Musk tweet or a Trump tweet and then make a coin based off of that here. Or if you're lazy like me and you want to scalp coins and make quick gains, right, you can come to the copy trending coins feature right here, and you can copy any token here, because every coin that is listed here, okay, are all trending and pumping on Pump.Fun, right? So by duplicating any of these coins, right, you are guaranteed to get buyers, because they are all proven concept to get buyers, and the coin will be listed on the raydium dex, which will get a much higher market cap, right? So I'm going to do a live example to prove that this shit works. And the awakened coin right here just caught my attention. There's 341 replies and a decent market cap, so I'm actually going to duplicate this one. So create coin, go inside your phantom. Okay, there will be a warning, bro, but don't be worried. This is completely normal because the website is 1 month old, so it is kind of brand new and it is being verified by Phantom, so it's not a scam, bro, don't worry. So proceed anyway. There's a tiny fee, but it's nothing too much. Confirm, I understand, confirm. And then your coin is being created. Just wait. Okay, it popped up. As you can see, copy token address and create the liquidity pool to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Select your coin, select your Solana balance, click on max to give away 1 billion coins in liquidity to be traded, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. So you will be the first buyer inside your coin, so you have nothing to lose, okay? All the money that you're putting here will come back to you in the future, so you have nothing to lose. So you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'll just put 0.5 because that's what I'm comfortable with, okay? So the only startup cost you need is 0.5 Solana. You are not losing this money, okay? It is yours because it will come back to you later. So create pool. Confirm. Refresh. Okay, so as you can see, it popped up. Now click on view on Photon. And now your coin is live. Okay, dipped a bit. Oh my god, bro, wow, what the hell? Yo, it's pumping, so many buyers are coming in. Okay, now it's the perfect moment to remove the liquidity. So come back to launch token.fun, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Confirm. And boom, you just removed the liquidity. Let's freaking go. So as you can see, 1.12 Solana just went back inside my wallet. So if I do the math, 1.12 12 minus 0.5. I just made 0.62 Solana in a matter of 5 seconds, bro. You can make so much money, bro. You have to start right now, bro. Non-Shogun.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description, bro. You have to use this opportunity right now before it gets too late, bro. Join my Telegram group down below. It's free. Like, comment, subscribe. Please, I beg. And yeah, bye.